haven't put our hands on each other or none of that. No, nothing.
We didn't put our hands on each other, but we was arguing.
Yeah. So was it with one hand or two hands?
Just one hand.
Hey guys, can I talk to you for a second?
Yes. Oh,
yeah. You guys driving a white F-150 over there?
No, we got a Ford. A black one.
Which one?
It's over there.
It's over there. All right, let's step over here so we're off the roadway. Can I talk to you for a second, sir? Behind my truck. If you don't mind for me, man.
We should both talk.
No, I want to talk to y'all separate. You can stay right there. All right, the reason I wanted to talk to you, we got a call saying that possibly you may have put your hands on her. You guys are arguing out in the parking lot. Like
we had an argument over her going out and doing some dumb shit. We haven't put our hands on each other or none of that. No, nothing. She got mad and like she started like throwing herself in the car and stuff, but I haven't hit her. We can talk to her right now. No problem.
10-4 over both parties.
I got no issues.
Okay, hold on.
He wants to talk to me.
Yeah. You got your ID on you real quick?
Yes, sir.
Do you have your ID on you?
I don't.
You don't? Okay. You guys live around here?
I live on.
Okay. You guys together, married?
We've been together for a long time.
Yeah. Any kids in common?
No. Yeah, I have kids, but she.
No, with okay. Yes. All right. So the reason we're out here is because somebody called saying that you guys are arguing in the parking lot and you guys may have put hands on each other or something like that.
We didn't put our hands on each other, but we was arguing.
Yeah. Nobody pushed anybody because I got two random people. They're saying that somebody.
And here in this parking lot?
Yeah.
No. We literally just got down and walked straight to the Walmart. You can check the cameras out. His cameras, I didn't push him, he didn't push me.
No? Okay, because the cameras are pretty good. So you can run the cameras back.
Yeah.
Okay, what happened to your face?
Oh, I got into an argument with some friend at the club on Saturday.
What club?
The Ritz.
Oh, Tampa?
Ybor.
Yeah. How's that? You like that place?
Huh?
You like that place?
Well, I worked there. I did the bathroom attendant, and I got into an argument with one of my friends, and we was like mad at each other and got drunk, and we just fought, but it wasn't beat, like we already talked anything.
Okay. Do you work out here?
Out here?
Yeah. No?
Are we in trouble or anything? I didn't touch him nor he touched me. I don't know. We was arguing though, I'll tell you that. Like, we got into an argument.
Yeah, they're driving a Ford pickup. Oh, 450, a big one.
Yeah, it's a big one right there.
Bossy.
Oh, down there.
I'm gonna be honest with you.
We just
Hold
argued.
on, wait, let me get. Sorry about that.
So
Go
they
ahead.
said you're here looking for someone, and
we have another call.
It's separate. That's what I'm saying.
We have a separate call that they're dealing with, and then I was actually at the smoke shop over there.
Wait, somebody else got called?
There's two separate calls. So we have a call that they're looking for, and it was Hispanic male, Hispanic female, but they said that she was in scrubs and they were driving a white Land Rover. So the guys are handling that call. So while I was over here, they sent another call. It said Hispanic male with stonewashed shorts and a Hispanic female with a tiny top. So this is a separate call from what they're dealing with there. So what were you gonna say?
We basically like we had a heated argument at the house. So I was like, look, let's get in the car, let's go. Let's go for a walk and talk. Let's go places. We're gonna buy food. And so we're just talking about it. She's got a little temper. Like she gets really upset, but that's why I brought her to public. In public.
And you said that they said that you like.
You can run the cameras, boss. I didn't touch her.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna. That's what we're gonna
problem.
Yeah.
I mean, I really don't want to be sitting here, but
I know, but I gotta investigate.
No problem. I have no problem with it. You can do that. It just kind of feels weird because I know a lot of people are here watching us, sitting right here doing this.
So my thing is that we got two random people saying that.
At the end of the day, boss, this is your job. I'm gonna respect you 100%.
But he won't see like that we put our hands.
Well, you're gonna see her walking away mad at me, but hey, that's about it.
Okay.
This footage raises three distinct legal issues: the probable cause threshold under Florida's mandatory domestic battery arrest statute, the Fifth Amendment Miranda gap, and the evidentiary weight of a contradictory victim statement. The officer separated the couple immediately and interviewed them independently. This is not optional. It eliminates intimidation opportunities and allows comparison of statements for consistency, the primary credibility tool when physical evidence is absent.
All right, do me a favor, just turn around for now. Turn behind the back. So right now, you're just gonna be detained, okay? Because I gotta get somebody else out here. Hold on, I'll tell you. You're just being detained right now. I'll explain it to you. Keep it cool, calm, collected, and I'll be the same with you, right? We haven't been disrespectful at all, all right?
Nah, I would not.
Okay. I'm just gonna double lock these real quick. We're gonna have a seat in my truck, and then
Sit out. Here we go.
I'd rather put you in the truck with the AC, so nobody's.
To be honest with me, you gonna arrest me?
Not yet. I don't know what's going on yet. I want to figure it out, but because I'm.
Can I go in there with you? Like, I'll be right next to you. I'm not gonna do nothing.
I'm not gonna parade you around in handcuffs either.
Okay,
You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna have a seat.
But we both, we know we didn't do nothing.
Okay, so until I figure that out, hold on. I'm going to, but I just want you to hang out for a second. So like I said, because I have 2 random people saying that had a male putting hands on a female, I have to investigate.
Boss,
okay?
I understand 100%. But
if,
all right.
When I'm done investigating all this, if it's nothing, it's bullshit, come right off.
All right, you're gonna see.
So that's what I'm saying. You're not under arrest. You're being detained right now until I can figure out exactly what's going on. Because like I said, I have 2 random people who are saying, yep, I seen her.
Boss, you got my deal. You know, I'm not going nowhere.
And
boss.
I appreciate you cooperating, but precautionary, procedural.
I'm a very respectful person.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
I'm just gonna. You mind if I pat you down?
Yes, sir.
You just got your phone, wallet.
And I'm
That's why I want you to
citizen.
That's why I want you to sit in the truck and not sit out here with handcuffs on in front of everybody. Okay? So like I said, once I'm done doing my thing,
can I sit in here and you take the handcuffs off?
No.
Keep it on the front at least?
No, you can't do that. But like I said, you've been cool, calm, collected the whole time. I appreciate your cooperation. If I got nothing on cameras,
I appreciate it. I know there's nothing.
Okay?
It just makes me upset that I gotta do this, but it's okay.
And I feel the same way. Okay, so you're not wrong.
And I understand people are gonna think because we're arguing and shit.
Absolutely.
I wouldn't do that to her.
Okay.
You know, we have our issues, but I don't.
How long you guys been together?
A couple years, over a year.
Over a year? Okay. All right, just give me a second. All right, I'm gonna make sure the AC's on. This thing's open to it, so you're not completely blocked in, but I'll turn the AC on.
All right.
So if you can see what cameras we got pointed that way, it's in this aisle here, right?
Yeah, it's like that part. Okay, you see that long truck? It's the only long black truck back there.
So see, just review cameras if somebody's up there. You hit your.
No, I had got into a fight with my friend on Saturday at the club.
Okay. Yeah. So the only thing that was said was that she was pushing her up against the truck or whatever. They were arguing. They both admit to arguing, but they didn't put hands on each other. So if you can just review.
Well, I'm gonna go look at the cameras. So.
Yeah, go see what we got on cameras.
No.
No, you can hang out here. All right, Officer Stemmel's going to go in there and review the cameras.
At approximately 4 minutes in, the officer placed the subject referred to here as Mr. Perez in handcuffs, stating clearly, "You are not under arrest. You are being detained." This distinction carries significant constitutional weight. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, decided in 1968, officers may briefly detain an individual when they possess reasonable, articulable suspicion that criminal activity has occurred. 2 independent 911 callers satisfied that threshold. However, handcuffing triggered a separate constitutional issue. The Supreme Court in Yarborough v. Alvarado, 541 U.S. 652, decided in 2004, held that a person is in custody when a reasonable person in their position would not feel free to leave. A man in handcuffs seated in a patrol vehicle meets that standard without question. Once custody attaches, so does the Fifth Amendment, and what follows in this footage is a clear Miranda violation. Under Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, decided in 1966, before conducting a custodial interrogation, officers must advise the subject of the right to remain silent, the right to counsel, and that any statement may be used against them. No such advisement appears anywhere in this footage. The officer proceeded to question Mr. Perez about the mechanics of the alleged battery direction, type of contact, whether his girlfriend resisted. Under Illinois v. Perkins, 496 U.S. 292, this constitutes interrogation, not casual conversation. Any statements Mr. Perez made during this period are subject to suppression under the exclusionary rule. A competent defense attorney would file that motion as a matter of routine. The admissions he voluntarily provided are the most damaging evidence against him and the most legally fragile.
Thank you, boss.
Okay.
So I'll stay out here with you?
Yep.
All right. So can I stand outside with you?
I don't want you standing in front of everybody with the handcuff. You just said you're looking like a criminal, right?
But boss, I'm not gonna go nowhere. You can take them off me. I'll stand with you.
No. I would love to believe everybody that told me that, but
Boss,
I've been doing this a long time, and I'm not judging
check
you.
my record. I'm a good man.
Yeah,
boss.
I'm not judging
Listen,
you.
hey, let me say something. Even if I did, let's say I did something wrong, I'm the type of person I'll accept the consequence. I'm not gonna run. Let's just say I did what people think. You're gonna take me, you're gonna take me to jail, and I'm gonna come out. It's not like I'm gonna, I killed somebody.
Right. No, I get it.
So I wouldn't do nothing crazy for that.
Right. I get it, and again, I appreciate your cooperation, but procedurally and history, like I said, I've been doing this a while. I just have to take all the precautionary measures. Okay.
100%.
So it's to protect everybody involved. But I'm gonna be out here while Officer Stemmo goes in there and figures that out. Okay. All right. So I want to give y'all the benefit of the doubt. I just don't want to be lied to. Okay.
For sure.
So at least you guys admit you guys are arguing. Couples argue. I get it. But it's two random people saying that he's putting hands on you. That's an issue. If I have camera footage also showing that, that's an issue. So I'd rather you just be upfront. He seems like he's cool, upfront and honest, but I know couples like to protect each other because they don't want nobody getting in trouble.
Yeah, but I wouldn't. I feel like if somebody ever put their hands on me, I'm not gonna protect them because like you don't care about me putting your hands on me.
Right.
We was arguing, since we left the house, we was arguing, but we got down cool, I was probably walking in front of him, he was like behind me, or whether I think I was behind him, he was like walking behind me. But I never pushed him, he never pushed me,
Okay.
I don't remember not doing that, it was not like getting physical, you feel me? It was not that.
Yeah, that's what I want to make sure. You said you had an ID in Florida?
Not in Florida.
Out of where?
At a different country.
Different country? So you're
I don't have it with me, but I will show you if I can go get it.
What country?
Honduras.
Honduras? So you have a social security number or nothing like that? Or do you have one?
I have one, I just don't have it with me.
Were you born in Honduras?
Yeah.
Okay, when did you come here?
When I was very little, a lot of years.
You went to school out here?
For since I was in 4th grade.
4th grade? Okay. And you never got a driver's license or nothing here?
No, because I don't drive. I don't drive at all.
And no regular ID? No nothing?
I just have an ID.
Okay. You said you have something in the truck with ID? Alright.
I don't believe it's in this. It might be in this one.
In this front one here?
Yeah.
Just a key fob.
Okay.
If you can go grab that ID real quick, be right back. Yeah, watch your Airbus.
What I have?
Okay.
So that's what I have.
Alright, that's cool. This works. Just needed something with your face and name and all that, yeah.
My bad, I had it in the car. I just didn't have it.
No, you're fine, it's okay. No big deal.
Can I talk to you? So, I just watched everything. Alright, so... Why did you do that?
What did I do what?
Why did he do that?
He do what?
Why did he do that?
What?
Were y'all arguing? I know you guys were arguing because you walked in and you were throwing up your hands, but why did he do that?
Oh,
Yeah, why he do that?
I don't know, we was arguing, but he didn't put his hands on me, if he, pushed me, he was trying to grab me or something, because, I was walking, when I get upset, he be trying to talk to me, and I be telling him, don't talk to me right now, because I'm mad,
Oh, I know.
So I be trying to walk away from him, and he just, he doesn't like to, to be, he doesn't like when I'm mad, so he wants to talk at the moment,
Yeah.
When I'm upset, I just want to walk away. I'm just gonna walk. I'm gonna go by what I have to go by, And then he's like, no, I'm gonna follow you. I want to be with you. Stop being like that. So I'm just walking away, and he just don't, he don't want me to walk.
Yeah. So he got upset. What was the argument about?
Something.
Huh?
Something very dumb. But it wasn't deep.
What was it about?
It was something dumb. I don't want to say it because it's actually really dumb. It's about me, my best friend, and he got involved, a girl best friend, and he got involved, and
So he thinks you're talking to someone else, that kind of thing?
No, well, me and my best friend, he doesn't really like her, I guess, and I was talking to her, and we was arguing, and I hung up the phone because I was on the phone with her, so he got upset. He was like, oh, people shouldn't know we're arguing, which is understandable. People shouldn't be I shouldn't put people in our business. You feel me?
Yeah.
So we was like, you know what, like I don't want to argue with you, so we got in the car and then we started driving over here because I was like, let's just, let's go for a walk, let's go do what we gotta do, let's buy this stuff so I can make breakfast. So then, we walked over here, we're cool, like nothing happened, we was just arguing in the car. So we got out, we went inside, and then he's just trying to follow him, trying to argue with me.
But I'm saying in the park, is your head okay though?
Yeah, well, this happened like at the club.
Okay, but I'm saying over there in the park.
What? Oh, that's when he did that? Because he didn't want to keep going and he didn't want me to walk.
Was it the truck that you hit or was it another vehicle? Did you damage the other vehicle? Or
No.
Where did you hit the glass? Like the glass part or like the frame?
Like my body or my hands?
So after he pushed you, did you hit like the white or the glass?
I don't remember.
But was it your vehicle or was it the truck that you got pushed up against?
I don't really remember getting pushed, but when we got out, we was walking I don't think it was the car, honestly.
So what'd you hit then? Was it
probably like another car? I don't really remember.
So you think that he pushed you in another car?
Probably, because I don't know.
Did he push
we
you?
We was walking towards here, So,
okay. Was it how long after you got out of the truck that you pushed you?
Probably like when we started walking, like when we was walking.
So like is over there in the parking lot or?
Yes, when we started walking from the truck.
So you're thinking that he pushed you into another car? You remember what color the car was that he pushed you up against? So was it with one hand or two hands?
Just one hand.
Like was it?
Yeah, like
where
he
is it?
like
was
he
it
just
front?
like let's go, like he didn't like push me, but.
And then was it the front or because I know he was to your right?
I think I was walking.
So he was to your right and you were to the left.
Yeah.
So what did he? So if I'm standing here, was it like this or was it on the back?
I think I was walking in front of him and he just
right here in the back.
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
I don't really remember, because we was arguing.
And then you were like going to
I was
through
just
a
walking.
vehicle.
I was just walking inside him.
Right. And then when he pushed you bumped into another vehicle. Did you damage the vehicle?
No, I didn't bump into him. I don't remember him like pushing me that I gotta like bump into something, like it was probably just like we was walking and he just, he didn't push me nor I hit another car.
Okay. Here's your time to be honest because there was people at scene. Okay? So I'm gonna ask you one time. The thing on your head and the thing on this side, was that from hitting the vehicle when you pushed you?
No. 100%. I'm 100% no. That's not.
So where did you hit on the body when you pushed you?
Huh?
How was
I promise.
it? Was
Okay,
it like this?
The truck is right there.
Yeah.
We got down, right?
I know.
We're walking. And I remember arguing with him, like, I'm just, like, trying to get away from trying to walk fast, like, I'm not, like, we're not mad at each other to the point where, like, oh, you gotta stay in the car.
Yeah, I know, he was
so we're walking together, and when we're walking, I think I said something, I don't know, he didn't push me to no car, like, that did not happen at all, like.
So you just pushed you in the back, and that's it?
Yeah, like, but he didn't push me to no car. I don't remember touching no car. This didn't happen, no. This is, like, from the day before when I got into an argument with my friend.
Do you have your ID on you?
I gave it to him.
Do you have somebody you can call to pick you up?
Does he want to join?
I don't know yet, but I'm just trying to game plan for everything.
I have somebody that I can talk to. I just left my phone.
Do you know the number? Because we can call off my work phone if you know the number.
I don't remember no. Yeah, I don't think I remember anymore.
No? Okay.
Because everybody just keep changing their number.
Yeah. How old are you? 22?
I mean, I hope you don't go to jail over that. Like, it was not that serious.
Yeah.
Hopefully not.
And you guys been together for over a year?
Mm-hmm.
And you guys live together?
Huh?
You guys live together? How often does he have his kids? Does he have full custody, or he gets
His kids?
Yeah, his kids.
Well, he has 3 kids. One is 13 years old, and he's supposed to see her every weekend, but he had like arguments with his baby mama, and like, you know, he still sees her, like he fights for her like a lot, like he be crying because, you know, like, girls are crazy and he just want to see his kids. But he been seeing his oldest daughter, the little one. He has a 3-year-old daughter, and he sees her every weekend, like literally every weekend. This weekend he didn't get her because his baby mama wanted to do something with her, but he has her all the time.
Okay.
And the middle one, he don't live down here. He lives with his mom in a different state. But he sees 2 of his kids.
Okay.
The 2 girls. I allowed to grab his phone to charge it in the car because it's dead, so I can get my sister's number and I can call her again.
We'll get there in a second. All right. His truck's here, so come get his truck when he comes out.
Okay. I have one more question. So, did you lose balance at all? Like, did you fall on the ground? Or?
No.
Okay.
It was not a push like that. No, I don't think I touched any car. You know, like, we was walking and he didn't push me. Like, I don't know if it was like, it was not a push. Like, I didn't remember, you know, like you know, moving to the side or anything. I don't remember none of that. Like,
So your momentum's going forward, right? And he was behind you, and it went like that. And you didn't.
I didn't hit no car. I didn't hit myself in anything at all.
Okay.
I'm 100% sure. I don't gotta lie to you about that. Like, if he really hurt me, I would tell you. Like.
All right.
The victim's interview presents an equally significant problem. Her account evolved progressively under questioning from a flat denial to "he grabbed me" to confirmation of a one-handed push from behind. This shift did not occur spontaneously. It occurred in response to leading reconstructive questions that described on the mechanics of a push before the victim confirmed them. Under the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment, probable cause built on a suggestively obtained statement is constitutionally weaker than one based on a spontaneous, consistent account. This does not render the arrest unlawful, but it does make the probable cause foundation vulnerable. A reviewing court applying the totality of circumstances test would scrutinize the quality of that statement carefully. The arrest itself was compelled by Florida Statute Section 741.2901, the mandatory domestic violence arrest provision. This statute removes officer discretion entirely. Once probable cause exists that domestic battery has occurred between persons in a qualifying relationship, the officer shall arrest. Not may, shall. The officer's own statement, "I hope he doesn't go to jail over this," reflects a personal judgment the law explicitly forbids him from acting upon. The legislature enacted this provision in direct response to documented patterns of officers declining to arrest at the urging of minimizing victims who later suffered escalating abuse. The mandatory arrest provision transfers that decision from the scene to the State House deliberately. The battery charge itself would rest on Florida Statute Section 784.0-3. Simple battery requires only intentional touching or striking of another person against their will. Injury is not an element. The victim does not need to fall or contact another object. Mr. Perez acknowledged physically stopping his girlfriend while she was walking away. Under the statutory definition, that description, if believed, satisfies the offense. However, against her remains contested. The victim minimized contact repeatedly. A jury resolves that factual dispute. The cohabitant relationship was confirmed on camera over a year together, living in the same home. Florida Statute Section 741.28 covers battery between current or former cohabitants and persons in a continuing romantic relationship. Both criteria were satisfied.
Do you mind doing a written statement, just jotting everything down that happened? Just jotting everything down that happened?
A written statement, yeah. Up to you.
Up to you.
No? Okay. Ms. Perez, go ahead and step out for me. Go ahead and face this right here. I'll explain everything to you in a second, okay? Off your butt.
So I'm arrested?
Yes. Now I'll explain to you here in a second, okay?
You know for a fact I didn't.
I'll explain to you in a second. Let me just get this going, okay?
How is she gonna get home?
We're taking care of that.
Really, it didn't happen. If it happened, I would understand and respect it.
What?
It didn't happen.
Just give me a second.
Charge that I didn't do. I know she said I did it. You know I did. She knows I didn't do it.
That's the problem. She said you did.
She said I did it.
She said you pushed her when you guys were.
Sir, I promise you. Like I told you, we stopped to talk between the cars and you pushed me.
Okay, so you have to understand where we're at here. Okay,
I can't understand something I didn't do.
So we have two random people who don't know you guys from a hole in the wall.
Speaking stuff I didn't see.
Right. So they said that you pushed her in the parking lot, and then
You told me you were gonna go in there and look at the camera. And I was okay with it because I know it didn't happen.
Listen. I know you're upset, but you want me to explain to you or not?
I mean, sir, at the end of the day, nothing you explain to me, you're gonna take me for no reason.
Let's go walk to this gentleman's truck.
Can I give him a stuff?
What stuff are you trying to give
My
out?
wallet and stuff?
Yep.
You see what they're doing to me though for nothing? I know you told him. I told him I didn't. Man, babe, come. Can I talk to her for a second? Because I need her to do stuff for me at the house.
You tell me and I'll tell her.
Babe.
Hold on. No. I need you to go over there. Go stand on the curb for me.
Babe, it's okay. Listen, you gotta call my mom or my mom can get you, okay? Listen to me. Babe, I need you to take care of the dog, man. Okay?
You don't want to take your phone? Or you want to take your phone?
I'll take my phone because
Okay,
I have to call to get out.
Is it dead?
It's dead.
It's dead? Okay. You're welcome.
Brother, me van a llevar preso, güey.
Hey, what?
Me van a llevar preso. Ahora no, que no. Pero necesito que bro, no tengo a nadie para los perros, más. Brega con los perros, please, ¿ok? La chiquita que está en la casa, sácala, ¿ok? Are you listening to me? Please, babe, just relax. It's okay. I ain't mad. It ain't your fault. Is there any way, honestly, the only thing I'm asking you guys is to be able to get. I have a farm, bro, and my animals are gonna be stuck. Can I just speak to her so she can take care of the animals? You guys can stand right here and listen. I just want to be able to give her instructions.
We tell us and we'll tell her because right now you're in custody.
I just want to be able to give. Okay, that's fine. I need her to take. I have my.
You want me to
dog.
write down this so she has notes so she don't forget?
Yes, please, and then we'll give you my mom's number so she can call her, please.
Okay.
How is she gonna get home?
That's what we're gonna try to figure out. If I have to drive her home, I'll drive her.
Can I call my mom right now from one of you guys'?
No. You're in custody.
Man, boss, you know I didn't do nothing wrong, and you're not even giving me rights to. Like, come on, I'm not even.
I try to explain it to you. You don't want to hear me out.
I mean, it's not that I want to hear you. I mean, if you're gonna take me, I understand you're gonna take me. You don't have to. Like, I know it's your job. I know it's both of you guys' job. But at the end of the day, you don't have to make it harder on me.
I'm not. I'm trying to work with you as much as I can. But certain things you're asking, we're just not allowed to do.
Like my animals are gonna be home. Like they're probably not gonna let me out today or tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Like my animals are gonna be home. They're gonna suffer, boss. Like that hurts my feelings.
What's your mom's phone number? You know about her?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What do you want her to do with the animals?
I have a dog in the house. Please, just let her out and go to the bathroom. And then I have a dog room, and my dog's in the dog room. Let him out to the bathroom. That's all she has to do. They'll wait till I get home to go bed. I tell her I have the tie cords. She can tie them outside the house and go use the restroom. It's crazy how, so I could just tell somebody that I seen something. You guys are gonna arrest somebody for what? Somebody in the street said.
No, it's not just that. She ended up telling us that you did push her. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, she said it also.
Boss, I told you how she's walking in front of me and I stopped to talk to her. A push is like a push.
But that's what she said.
She's literally saying, right? She came over here to argue with you guys. She didn't.
She's coming over. Yeah, because everybody flips the switch once cuffs come out. You know what I'm saying? Like, we interviewed her and she said that you pushed her, and we have an independent witness that said you pushed her. So our hands are tied.
I thank you guys for being respectful.
Okay, so I'm gonna give this to her. Mom's number. I'll let the little dog out for the bathroom and tie cords are outside.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have your phone, your wallet. And your hat.
Is my phone on me?
No, I put it inside your hat. He has it in the front
All
seat.
right.
You want your keys? Or you want
She
her?
could take them, and my mom's gonna have to get them.
Okay.
And get my card.
Okay.
Make her, just tell her please to lock my truck.
Yeah, I'll make sure it's locked.
The primary officer receives a B-. Witness separation was correct and immediate. The Terry detention was properly articulated. The mandatory arrest was applied correctly, despite personal reluctance. De-escalation was maintained throughout a difficult encounter. The grade cannot be higher because of the Miranda gap. Extended substantive questioning of a handcuffed subject in a patrol vehicle without rights advisement is a Fifth Amendment violation regardless of how respectfully conducted. The leading victim interview also produced weaker probable cause than open-ended questioning would have. Mr. Perez receives a B+. His conduct under pressure was exceptional, calm, compliant, and cooperative throughout an encounter that ended in his arrest. The grade is not an A because he exercised none of the constitutional protections available to him from the moment the handcuffs went on. He had the right to remain silent. He did not invoke it. He had the right to request counsel. He did not. His admission that he physically stopped his girlfriend to prevent her from walking away was entirely voluntary and potentially determinative. The correct response upon handcuffing: I understand. I would like to speak with an attorney before answering any questions. The partner officer receives a B. Executing the surveillance review immediately was the correct tactical decision and the strongest investigative action taken in this footage. Insufficient camera time for a more complete evaluation. 3 lessons emerge. First, the mandatory arrest statute is not an error in judgment. It is a deliberate legislative choice. An officer's personal read of severity carries no legal weight once the statute is triggered. The law decides, not the officer. Second, handcuffs are a legal trigger, not just a physical restraint. The moment a person is handcuffed and placed in a law enforcement vehicle, the Fifth Amendment clock starts. Miranda is not procedural formality. It is a constitutional floor, and skipping it creates suppression exposure that follows the case to trial. Third, for any person who is detained even cooperatively, even briefly, the single most protective action available is to say nothing until speaking with an attorney. Cooperation and silence are not opposites. A person can be completely respectful and completely silent. That combination protects everyone. At the time of this analysis, the outcome of any criminal proceedings remains unknown. Based on the footage and applicable Florida law, any charges filed would face a viable Miranda suppression motion and a credibility challenge to the primary prosecution witness. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.